Okay, folks, so Mr. ELC here, Mike. So I'm here to show you how to create your own animated name GIF using Google Slides. Now, this will work better with a PC or a laptop or a MacBook. It can work with an iPad if you have a G Suite if you're using Google Slides, but it's a lot more advisable to use a computer. So what you're going to do is you will click on the waffle. Then you will go to Google Slides. You will click on Start New Presentation. Let's name this Name GIF Demo. And then over here on the title, I can even add my name, Mike. And then I'm going to put in Name GIF Demo. I can even change my text color and change that into, I like green. I'm going to make it bold. And then I'm going to change the font style. It can be any font style you want. It can be any color that you want. But for this case, for at least for my case, I'm going to change it to green and yellow, bold, and I'm going to change my font styles as well. Very good. I'll change my background color to black. I happen to like black. I'm going to add that to my theme. There you go. You now have your first page. What you will do next is you will go up here to New Slide with Layout. You will click on Blank Slide. Once you click on Blank Slide, make sure that you are on slide number 2. I will go to the text box. Click on the text box. I'm going to draw a text box up here. I'm going to select yellow, bold, text size 36. I'm going to change this to, from Arial, I'm probably going to change it to, Comic Sans might be good. I'm going to change it to Comic Sans and I'm going to put in my first letter of my name, M. Make that a capital letter, M. Good. What I'm going to do next is I will duplicate slide number 2. I'm going to right click and then I will go to where it says duplicate slide. Now I now have a duplicate of slide number 2, which is now on slide number 3. What I'm going to do next is I will click on the text box. I'm going to create another text box over here. Change this one, the color to green this time. Bold. I'm going to select Comic Sans and I'm going to change the size also to 36. I. Then what I'm going to do next is I will duplicate this slide, slide number 3. And I have a duplicate of slide number 3, which is now slide number 4. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on text box. I'm going to change my font size. I'm going to put in my text box right there. I'm going to change my font color first. Bold, change it to size 36. And change this one to Comic Sans. I'm going to put in third letter of my name, K. It's starting to make sense, right? What you are doing is very basic animation. So you're adding layers to it. What I'm going to do next is, yes, I will duplicate slide number 4. The duplicate of slide number 4 is now slide number 5. Okay? I will go up here to text box. I'm going to put in my text box over here. I'm going to change my color to yellow. Make it bold. Make it size 36. And I'm going to type in and make it Comic Sans, of course. I'm going to put in the last letter of my name, letter E. And there you go. It says Mike name GIF here. M, M-I, M-I-K, M-I-K-E. Okay, so I'm going by first letter, one slide. Next 2 letters, slide number 2. Next 3 letters of my name, slide number 3. last four letters of my name, last slide, slide number 4. What I'm going to do next is I will click on File, and then I will go to Publish to the Web. I always tell my students to not put in any personal information on there. First names are fine, nicknames are fine, but no last names. No last names, no phone numbers, no addresses, because you are posting this, okay? I'm going to click up here, so it says Publish to the Web. It says Auto Advanced Slides. The default is every 3 seconds, which means for every slide, it will spend 3 seconds for each slide before it moves on to the next one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. That takes a while. You don't want it to be too long, otherwise your audience will get bored. You don't want it to be too fast either, because they can't read it. This one will be 1 second. You can actually make it slower than that, but that's a different lesson right there. We'll just stick with every second. Auto advanced slides for every second. So for each second that ticks, there's going to be a new slide that pops up. I will also make sure to click on this box that says Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. Click. It says Restart the slideshow after the last slide. Click on these boxes. These 2 boxes must be clicked. Once again, Auto Advanced Slides every second. Start slideshow as soon as the player loads. Click. Restart the slideshow after the last slide. Click. Click Publish. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to publish this selection? I will click OK. And now I have my own unique link with my GIF on it. I'm going to copy this. I have a MacBook, so I'm going to press Command C. Those of you who have a computer, that's going to be Control C. So I'm going to copy this, Command C. Then I'm going to open up a new tab. I will paste the tab on here. I will paste the link on the tab. Control V. And I'm going to press Return or Enter. And there you have it. And this will keep repeating over and over and over until you press stop or if you exit. Here's another thing. If you want to add an image or if you want to make a change, you have to remember you have to republish. So let's say I want to add an image to it. Okay, no problem. I'm going to go up here to Insert. I will go to Image, and then I'm going to search the web. Let's say I want a picture of a microphone, as in mic. Get it? I kind of like this one. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click Insert. I'm going to resize my photo. Put it down here. Good. Now I made a change. If I do not republish this and I put in my old link, this is what I'm going to get. Oh, it did pop up. Okay, it did pop up. So, but every time I need to make a change, I always make it a point anyway to publish to the web. So, every second, start slideshow, restart slideshow, Command C, paste, Command V, and there you go. It's always a good habit to actually save it and republish it. And there you go. That is how you create your own animated GIF slide. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye.